If your hair extension specialist does any of these 5 things, I need you to walk out right away. I've spent years trying to fix these kind of mistakes that they could be completely avoidable. So I want to just kind of make you aware of it so you would know. Number 1 is they skip the consultation, or they give you a quote or something right away over the phone with 2 pictures without assessing your actual hair, scalp density, texture, and they have one size fit all for everyone. This is the number 1 mistake. Your hair, my hair, someone else's hair, completely different. You can show me your actual picture of hair, but unless I feel, see, just see your scalp and see if you are the right candidate, it would be a total mistake. Try to assess the method, the amount of hair, is it doable, is it not, and all that kind of stuff. So number 1, if someone does that, just walk out. The second red flag I will be watching out for is if they only offer 1 or 2 methods. I offer 7 different methods. There are other methods available. I have 2 favorite ones, but I know what to do in special circumstances. What if this works? What if this doesn't work? You need to be able to offer everything and know everything that is available to be able to give you options. If they only have 1 or 2 methods, that's not options. So definitely pay attention to that. The third thing I would be paying attention is if they dismiss your concern about damage and they just say, oh no, it doesn't damage the hair, but they don't explain, or they dismiss the fact that you have pain with clips, with attachment, with ponytail. These are valid concerns that they need to be addressed, and it needs to be talked about, and they need to have solution. If they tell you you need to take a Tylenol the first day or 2, you shouldn't be going to them. That's very important. Any kind of pain, it's not good with hair extensions. The 4th factor would be if they use cheap hair, if they can't tell you the source of the hair, if they only offer 1 type of hair, if they only use 1 company. There are various different company sources. There's Indian hair, there's Slavic hair, there's Chinese hair. There are different factors you need to know. There are different textures. They're natural permed, they're not permed, they're curly. And all of those make a difference. Like, it gives you the package, the bundle of what you need, and it gives you all the options, and that's what the result's going to be, depending on to give you the natural, most beautiful, enhanced look. So definitely pay attention to that as well. The last big red flag that I would watch out for, if there is no maintenance plan. If they just tell you, hey, it will be just your natural hair, just wash it with sulfate-free shampoo. They don't give you any templates, they don't give you any videos, they don't follow up, they don't tell you what to do when you sleep, when you get up, and they don't really have a system to show you how to take care of these precious things that are amazing and they're a great investment if it's done properly. Definitely be careful and watch out for that stylist, that specialist who does not know how to tell you how to properly care for them. To be honest with you, they are great experiences that you can have with hair extension, hair toppers, all the hair additions. And if you have a right partner, a right specialist, is someone who partner with you and take you along this journey and make you enjoy having the hair addition, the hair that you never had, or the hair that you used to have and now you want to feel like yourself again. So I promise you, there are better experiences out there, and if you avoid these 5 things, those are the basic things, but they really would help you finding the right specialist and the right partner. If you are in DFW, Metroplex, Dallas area, and you want to visit with us, or if you lived other places and you're able to travel, just comment the word consult below. We'll send you a DM. We'll show you how to make an appointment. Our consultation appointment is very relaxed. We do it in very private sessions. It is fun. It is something that we can plan and map out your beautiful hair journey for you. And then we'll go from there. We answer all of your questions. It's really cool. It's a little place that I can show you hair, and then we'll discuss your specific hair needs. Until next video, ciao.